So here's the sign for it: Brown Creek Campground, Olympic National Forest. And it's free, I'm pretty sure. Oh, actually, I'm not really sure. So here's a map. Oh wow, so there's a pond. That is really neat. So we are right here. Ah, so it's closed from September to April. It just opened. So there's a lot of sites here. Oh, you do have to pay. I'm gonna drive through this and film it. This is really neat. There's a little trail. So it is $14 a night, and it's first come first serve. Wow, this is really neat. So let's go check it out. There's a truck. It looks very peaceful here. All right, welcome back. We are going to drive through the Brown Creek Campground in Olympic National Forest and just get an idea of what the sites look like. So this is a place that I think I would be comfortable camping at with the pop-up tent, where you know you're not just in the middle of nowhere off a road. I would feel safe here, and for $14 a night, that's not bad. Wow, that is really neat. That site is reserved. It looks like, well, not reserved, but I guess they just never took down the tag when they left, because you can't reserve these. Oh, it's a big old pothole. Part of this campground might be closed still, unless that road is not. Oh yeah, I don't think the whole campground is open yet. So not sure this is the campground if I go straight. So it looks like only maybe a fourth of the campground is open. Yeah, so this is, I need to turn around. I think I'll just back up. So basically, let me try and turn around. It said it opened in April. Must open soon. I got four-wheel drive on. I think there's more room up ahead, actually. Let me go up here. I have no idea. Shoot, I don't think I'm going to turn around here. It's too narrow. I'm going to have to back up all the way to that bridge. So let me turn this off while I do that. All right, welcome back. That was about a 6-point turn. I had no idea how far down that road I would go if I kept going. So yeah, that's too bad they don't have the whole campground open yet. It's probably not that busy though, so I would really be neat to see how the rest of it looks. But this might give you an idea. So we're gonna head back to the National Forest Road 23 and keep heading north. I had to put the four-wheel drive on when I did that turnaround in case I went off the edge a little bit into the ditch. I love the first sight when you come in, because you have that vault toilet back there. It's almost like your own toilet, and you're right by the river there. I mean, you have all the cars coming down, but I could live with that. I got a couple of flies driving with me now on the hood, just chilling. They're gonna be like, "Where's my campground?" All right, so we are back to the main road. South Fork Skokomish Trail right there. It's like a fun one. I just hope this road starts going to the right. It should soon. We're not on the paved road anymore. Got the four-wheel drive auto back on. And we are climbing out of the valley. Wow, got some washboards. So we are in a US fee area now, park fee. So any of these hikes you do along the road now, you have to have a valid something hanging in your window. Ah, shoot, and this road is closed. That is too bad. So this is the La Barre Horse Camp. Area closure. Oh, it opens April 30th. So this area is closed to all motorized vehicles from October 1st through April 30th. It's for wildlife habitat enhancement. So basically, I will have to come back, unfortunately. Oh, that's too bad. I'm actually not sure. Yeah. Campground's closed too. So here's the South Fork Skokomish Trail again. Now I'm tempted to try and find a way across on that 2340 road. I just don't know if I want to waste time. But I'm gonna end this video. That was a fail. And I will turn it back on when I get somewhere different. Thanks for watching.